Hi, I'm Todd Piggott, managing member of the ZINC Income Fund. Over the years, I've had hundreds of conversations with investors, many of them high net worth individuals or family offices or even trust managers. No matter who I'm talking to, the same three questions always come up. How secure is my investment? What kind of returns can I expect and how consistent are they? And why should I choose ZINC over doing individual trust deeds or other funds? And let me walk you through my answers to each one of these because they go straight to the heart of what we do here at ZINC. Question number one, how secure is my investment? That's always the first question, and honestly, it should be. At ZINC, we lead with protection of principal. That's our number one pillar. I'm invested in this fund as well. Every single loan we originate is a first position loan secured by real property, also backed by an Alta insurance policy. That means if something goes wrong, we're first in line. Our underwriting is very conservative. Our average loan to value in the fund is about 65%. That means there's roughly a 35% equity cushion before our investors' capital is ever at risk. Our average FICO is 710. These are prime borrowers. And here in California, we benefit from one of the most efficient foreclosure processes in the country. With a non-judicial foreclosure, for which we're very experienced, we can resolve defaults in about 90 days. Compared to other states like New York, Florida, and some East Coast, it can take a year or more, in some cases, many years. That speed and predictability are key to protecting your capital. The result, since inception, the ZINC Income Fund, we've never had a single investor lose principal within the fund. Question number two, what kind of returns can I expect and how consistent are they? Most high net worth investors are looking for two things, income they can rely on and protection of their wealth. At ZINC, we target an 8 to 10% annualized return, coupled with an excellent tax deduction of about 23% on the federal side. All of this is paid monthly via ACH. That income is not tied to the stock market volatility or interest rate swings or media headlines or what I call emotional exuberance. It's very stable. We've been through multiple market cycles and our fund has continued to pay steady distributions every single month through each cycle. That's because our returns come from real estate loans backed by real property, not speculation, not market timing, and not emotional timing. Consistency is built into our model. Short-term loans, typically 7 to 9 months in duration, meaning capital is constantly recycling, reducing long-term exposure. And because we focus on high-demand markets right here in Central California, where homes are affordable and still selling quickly, resale risks stay low, even in times of uncertainty. So while stocks can drop 20% overnight on a headline or other emotional exuberance, our fund is designed to deliver steady, predictable income, month after month, quarter after quarter, year after year. Question number three, why should I choose ZINC over individual trust deeds or other funds? This one's actually very important. Many investors I talk to have already dabbled in trust deed investing. Here's the difference, and it's an important one. When you invest in a single trust deed, you're putting all of your capital into one single loan. If that loan goes sideways, you're on the hook for the complete outcome of that loan and what happens. With ZINC, your investment is diversified across dozens or hundreds of loans in our portfolio. That spreads out the risk while still giving you the security of first position loans. Beyond the diversification, we also control the entire process, something that very few fund managers do, if any. We source the deals through our off-market division, we underwrite them, we service the loans, we track the insurance, and if necessary, we can even take over the rehab properties with our own in-house crews and stabilize them and resell them to extract and get our principal back. Very few funds can do that. As a matter of fact, I've never seen another fund that can do that. And finally, this isn't just a transaction. Our fund is made up of family, friends, and long-term investors who have trusted us for years and years, many of them over a decade. That means I treat this capital as though it's my own, because much of it actually is. That fiduciary responsibility drives every decision we make. So if you're an investor who wants consistent returns and strong security and a team that controls every step of the process, ZINC is designed for you. We don't chase trends. We don't gamble on speculation. We don't invest in things that might be the next home run. We focus on first position real estate backed loans in markets that we know inside and out every zip code and every neighborhood. That's why we've grown to the largest premier private money lender in Central California.